Hi, so we're here in Ormond Beach and we wanted to show you around a little bit while we walked. We've seen so many jellyfishes. It's crazy. I would not get in the water myself, but hey, a lot of people do. I'm sure it's pretty safe.
So like we were just talking to these really weird fishes, and like this species is like so interesting because first it creates like this river type thing, and then it breaks off on the other end, and then they have all these cool ridges, and then there's like these bubbles that when you step into them, it like you like step into them, it's just like stepping into a bubble because if you step into them, like they rise back up. It's
Okay,
so cool.
so if we find one, we'll show you guys. There's actually, I think, a jellyfish right here. I'm not sure. Let's see. We've seen quite a few. There's one floating right here in the water. Not sure if you can see it floating away there. Look at that little sucker. Yeah. And then right over here, careful, careful. There's another one right there. That one looks like it might have seen better days. And then there's another one right here, and that was in just a few steps. There's been a ton. Now they did say that some don't sting, but I wouldn't know how to differentiate that, so creepy for me. But yeah, so this is what she was saying about the water, how there's like this sand bar or something in the middle, and then at some points when the waves are tough enough or strong enough, they meet and then they look like two waves crashing into each other, which is beautiful. I wish I could capture it, but I'll show you if we do see it. Some areas the sand is super duper soft and you can easily sink into it. You can sink your feet into it, and others are tougher. These gentlemen are fishing here. Pretty cool. I wonder if they catch anything. See, this is how cool this is. It's like the water and the sand dunes, and then there's puddles of water here and water meeting water crossing over the sand dunes. It's pretty neat. It's very pretty. I don't know if the reflection shows, if the video shows how pretty it is here. You do have to keep an eye out for the jellyfish, not only like the ones I showed you there, but I spotted one earlier that was like almost like a sand dollar size, and it was clear, and I just happened to look down and see it, and sure enough that one looked like it was alive and thriving, and the water sucked it back up. So thanks. I'll show you a little bit more up ahead. See that? What is in there? Did you see it? And now it's gone. There. Isn't that neat? Little crabs or something in there. So cool. These are very cool. See? Did you guys see that? Isn't that cool? It's like a bubble underneath it. It's so weird. Like it's filled with air, exactly.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Yeah, I know. I was just showing them that. Yeah. Do you see here how interesting that looks? So cool. I'm telling you, nature is amazing. You just find so many interesting things.
It's decorating our home. One tip is, like, never, ever go too deep because there's, like, really big waves and there's, like, lots of shark attacks here.
So see, this is one of those perfect jellyfish I was just talking about. Look at how awesome that is. But also, yikes, you know? Ah! Right in my path. Yikes. Okay. So that's what we're trying to avoid. I don't know if we step on those, if those hurt, but the sting of a jellyfish can be very painful, I've heard. And I'm not going to risk it, whether it stings or not. See, this is one of those great places where the sandbar in the middle here, or the bump of sand right here in the middle, meets with this whole puddle of ocean water that hangs out here basically. And it's just like this crash of water that's returning to the ocean and water that's coming from the ocean. And it is just beautiful to me.
Circles together with each other.
Yeah.
It's like an ice cream cone.
It sure is beautiful. So we're getting to the point where there's these posts here, and you might be wondering what they are. But so basically, some of the beaches here in Florida, you can drive your car. Some of them, like Daytona and this one here in Ormond Beach, you can drive your car a certain strip of it. And so that's what you'll see, cars parked over there. But then once past the post, this is an area where there's no cars allowed. So this is more nature and people friendly. This is also people friendly, but you still have to watch out for cars. They have an in and they have an out where they can drive the beach. And so yeah, this is the beautiful beach here. They do have a lifeguard there on duty today. I don't know if he's always there weekends, weekdays, but he's here today. And yep, there's the resort that we've been visiting. And yeah, I think this was a pretty little video of the beautiful beach here. This will conclude our visit here to Ormond Beach. Hope you like this little short video showing you how nice the beach is, but also how dangerous. Here's another example, just randomly walking, and here's a jellyfish. So beautiful, gorgeous, but keep your eyes open. Also, like she said, there is a lot of shark attacks known for Ormond Beach, so keep that in mind. You got to be careful wherever you go. Another jellyfish. And there's the resort. We will be heading in now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. It helps keep you in the loop as to what's coming next when we put out new content. We do a lot of videos like this, but we do have a lot of variety. The notification bell will keep you posted. Have a great day. Bye. See you soon.